What is computer? A computer is an electronic device which processes data and convert into information is called computer. What are the types of computer? Three types of computer: digital computer, analog computer, hybrid computer. What is digital computer? A computer that is based on the two digits 0 and 1 is called digital computer. For example, digital clock, etc. What is analog computer? Analog computer measures physical quantities to give output on scale. For example, waiting machine, etc. What is hybrid computer? A hybrid computer has both of feature digital and analog computer. For example, modem, reboot, etc. What is the classification of computer? Microcomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer, supercomputer. What are microcomputer? Microcomputers are designed to use by one user at a time. They use office, at home, etc. What are mainframe computer? Mainframe or microcomputer are very powerful computers. There is use in bank, weather forecasting, etc. What is mini computer? Mini computer are smaller version of mainframe computer. They are used large business organization. What are supercomputer? Supercomputer are largest and fastest computer. It can process millions of instructions per second. What are basic components of a computer? There are two basic components of computers: software and hardware. Define hardware. The physical parts of the computers are called hardware. For example, keyboard, mouse, CPU, etc. Define software. The set of instructions given to computer to perform specific tasks is called software. For example, PowerPoint, Windows, etc. What is central processing unit? CPU. CPU is the main part of the computer that performs all the operations according to the program instructions. It is called brain of the computer. Define arithmetic logic unit ALU. The ALU is the place where the instructions take place during the processing operation. It carries out arithmetic and logical operation. Define a random access memory RAM. It is the memory that computer uses temporarily to store the information as it being processed. Define read-only memory ROM. It is used to store data and programs that are permanent. New data cannot be written on it. Define operating system OS. An operating system is an integrated set of programs that is used to manage the various hardware resources of the computer system. What do you know about DOS? DOS stand for the Disk Operating System. It is the most widely used operating system. Define input device. The device which are used to give input to the computer are called input device. For example, mouse, keyboard, joystick, touchpad, etc. Define output device. The device which are used to take information from the computer are called output device. For example, monitor, printer, LCD and speaker, etc. Difference between hard copy and soft copy. The output received from the printer on the paper is called hard copy. The temporary output on the screen of monitor is called soft copy. What are the types of programming languages? There are two types of programming language: low level language and high level language. What is low level language? The language that are close to machine code are called low level language. What is high level language? The language that are close to human languages are called high level language. What is compiler? A compiler is a system program that translates high level language to machine level language. What is assembler? An assembler is a system program that translates an assembly language to a machine language.